In this video, I will show you how to create Fiat wallet on crypto.com. So first, you need to open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen, you have to click on this Fiat wallet option. Or if you don't find this option, it can be also labeled as cash. So you have to click on whatever you have. These are the both are the same. So just click on any of them that you have. And then you will be able to see this similar screen. So click on accept all, and then from this pop-up menu click on this checkbox and click on accept all. Then it will ask you to provide some additional information, so click on submit now. And then you have to verify your identity by providing some personal details such as your SSN number. So fill up these details, and once you do that, your request will be submitted, and then the crypto.com team will review your information. And once they verify your identity, you will be able to see the similar screen where you can see that our Fiat wallet has been created. Now you can simply deposit the money in your Fiat wallet and then start trading in crypto. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.